How to check who you recently unfollowed on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, at the bottom right corner, click on the Profile menu. At the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines. In the pop-up menu, click on Your Activity. In this menu, scroll down and look for the option Download Your Information and tap on it. In the pop-up page, click on the Download or Transfer Information. Here, click on Some of Your Information. In the menu appears, scroll down and click on the Followers and Following. Then click on Next. Now, by default, it will be in Download to Device, and then click on Next. In the pop-up menu, click on the Data Range. In the menu, select the data range. Click on Save, and then click on the Create Files. After some time, you will get an email notification. Then go back to the Instagram settings and download the file. Now, enter your Instagram password. Now you will be redirected to the Files app. Click on the downloaded file to extract it. Then tap on it to open. Then select Connections. In this, click on Followers and Following. Here you will find followers and the following list. Compare these two, get to the unknown who unfollows you on Instagram. And that's it.